This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, February 14th. After pushback, Carnival Cruise Line is addressing concerns over its e-muster safety drill, which replaced the traditional mass muster drill. Some passengers feel that the older drill was more thorough and safety-oriented. Carnival's brand ambassador John Heald reassured guests that while the passenger drill is shorter, crew safety training has increased. And the cruise line has no plans to revert to the old system, but encourages guests to complete the muster drill as soon as they board. Guests who delay the drill risk having their onboard account temporarily suspended. And MSC Cruises has opened what it's called the largest cruise terminal in the world down in Miami. The new MSC Miami Cruise Terminal welcomed its first ship, MSC Seascape, on February 8th. The terminal can accommodate up to 3 ships at once and process 36,000 guests daily. This year, MSC will sail 4 ships from the pier, including the new MSC World America, launching in April. Its luxury brand, Explora Journeys, will also use the terminal. The terminal was built by Fincantieri Infrastructure. And the third time's a charm. After nearly 30 years docked in Philadelphia and countless delays, the SS United States is scheduled to begin her final journey today. Now, the ocean liner will be moved in phases, first shifting to Pier 80 today before being towed down the Delaware River on Monday. Destination, Mobile, Alabama. Now, after environmental preparations are complete, the ship will become the world's largest artificial coral reef. Fans can track her journey online and watch from designated viewing spots along the Delaware. And the photo of the week comes from Braden. Carnival elation going under the Dames Point Bridge here in Jacksonville, just a few miles down the road. Send yours in. Photos at cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were mixed on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down slightly, 25.86. Royal Caribbean up 1.5%, 260.09. Norwegian up 0.5%, 26.33. And Viking up 1.5, 52.36. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Happy Valentine's Day and have yourself a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.